Listen up. It's never too late to change your love. So don't let them steal your life. Don't let them break your stride.
Watch this blow up right here.
There is light on the other side. You'll see all the raindrops falling me. It's a revolution. It's a revolution.
Oh my God!
It's a revolution.
Oh, get the net, get the net, get the net, get the net, get the net. What's going on, guys? It's Suburban Angling. Today we're doing something a little bit different, not crazy different, but you know, a style of video I haven't done before. We're doing a kayak river run with my buddy Angel R Fishing. He's been in a lot of other videos. And basically what we did is we're gonna have my car parked where we ended up. We drove his car to where we're starting at. We're gonna float down to my car, drive back up to his car. Ooh, you know, that's how we're gonna get home. It's gonna be, I didn't really check, but I saw how far it is. It's gonna be at least probably 6 to 10 mile float. I don't know approximately, but yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Honestly, if nobody flips and we catch at least 1 or 2 fish, it was a success today. It's more of an exploration mission. This river is, in my opinion, hard to kayak, but I know a lot of people do well in it. I'm just more of a wading type of person when it comes to these small rivers, but at the same time though, I know the power of the yak. So hopefully we can pull something out today. And like I said, catch 1 fish and don't flip is a success. I'm using topwater, Ned rig, and minimum imitation. So that's what it is. If I can get 1 fish topwater and then catch a fish on anything else, I mean anything, the minimum imitation Ned rig, that's a given. I'll probably get bit on that at least once. But if I can get a fish on topwater, that's the ultimate goal. Whopper Plopper, if I could plop a fish right in the face, then yeah, catch you guys on the water. All right, boys, we're on the river now. Angel's getting his catch board out for his tourney, 18 inchers only, you know what I mean? We catch a 15 incher, we don't even measure it. We don't even care, you know. On my foot and get some of that water off of it. Okay. We're live, baby. You got 8. Angel, you literally hit the same shoreline that I was gonna hit to get one. Like, dude, like we're on the same page right there. I got one. They're doubled up. No, he got off. He was only like 14 inches. Dude, they're on that bite. I got another one. Oh, he missed it. There's one right here. Dude. Yeah. It's like, yeah, it's like 4 foot right there, dude. Oh. Big one. Yeah. It's like a 14 incher. Pliers are essential, guys. Hold up. Alright, there we go. Let me get a good look of the fish to you guys. What a beautiful fish. All right, I want to get a picture with my phone, but I think this GoPro picture will do just fine. I just want to put him back in the water, honestly. He's just so beautiful. Like, this is awesome, dude. We're doing this. This is straight up urban fishing, guys. Look at that beautiful thing. Woo. Oh, I got one. Oh, yeah. That's a nice smallie. Hitting the boat. Yes. Let's keep him over here. Keep those hooks away from me. Grab him. Boom. He was just sitting right there in the grass. Oh, yeah. Right through the top of the mouth. There we go. All right, we're kind of drifting off path a little bit. Let's give him a breath, show him to you guys, and then get him back in the water. Yep, another Whopper Plopper Smallmouth. He hit right above a patch of weeds, but he was right on the other side of the weeds. Average size is pretty good today. I mean, that's like about 12 and a half, 13 inches, but it's just chunky, beautiful fish. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I hope you guys are loving it too. Let's get him back in the water. Whew, he shot off. Okay, he's gone. Let's go over here by the shore and wait for my buddy Angel. All right, we're about to cast right up in here. Yeah. Oh my God, he missed it. Dude, I just got destroyed. That was like a 17 incher, 16, 15 incher. I was like, dude, that was the big in. I was like plopping it and then he just. Big in, little one. I saw him.
Dude, I got an anchor.
Oh, oh, get the net, get the net. Get the net, get the net, get the net. Get the net.
Dude, we got an anchor though.
How do I don't
I'm pulling to the shallows.
Okay, yeah, go over there. I'm gonna paddle backwards. Dude. I knew it was a big in. I knew I trusted my instinct. Okay, I'm backing up. That's like a freaking six.
I don't want you to fall in that shit. Oh my God.
That's a 16 and a half, 17. 17 and a half maybe.
Dude.
Get him, bro. He's low-key barely hooked on this top of his body. Get the net, bro. You have a chance. You have a chance.
I gotta get him closer.
I'm just trying to get footage of it.
I can't get him in close.
Reel in a little bit. Just take a second to reel in.
Wait.
Hold on.
If I reel him in.
Hold on. I'm looking snagged on this bullshit. I'm just gonna hold myself right here. You're anchored, right?
Yeah, I'm anchored.
You got him. You got him. Bro.
Get in the net.
Oh my God. There you go. That's gonna tournament. That's for the. Here, can you unsnag my Whopper Plopper?
Oh yeah.
All right. Live action out here on the river.
This is the whole shit show.
We did it though. That was pretty smooth, honestly. Like considering like it's just snagged on like the little anchor trolley. Oh, dude. I was just looking the other. He came back for it. I kept it still and he came back for it. Ah! He almost hooked me. Dude, did you see that?
I saw him blow up the second time.
He hooked my shorts though. I think that's about 16, dude. 15 and a half again, maybe. You have your bump board, right? You want to bump him?
Mine was 15 3/4 actually when I threw him on the bumper. That is
Same. As like actually a little shorter than yours. It
15
is.
and a half.
Yeah, a little shorter.
What's up with his lip?
It's shorter, just fatter. All right, we're gonna release this fish. What a healthy river bass.
We gotta adjust this anchor system.
He's biting me. Oh yeah. All right.
Slide it on. Yeah, that's fine.
I got a big in. Oh yeah. Nice. Like 14 and a half. There we go. That makes up for the... Oh, he's a guy. He's long, low key with the hunchback. He's like 15 again. Makes up for some of the fish I've been losing. Dude, we're getting action, bro. It's lit. Nice river smallie. God, I love these things. They fight so hard. And even though you're missing them on the plopper, like when you get one to just randomly blow up when you're not expecting it and you catch one, it makes it that much better. Let's get a good look at him in the sun. It's a beautiful fish. All right, no need for a picture. Just let him go. Whew. Oh my God, he just hit it twice. Bro, he just hit it 3 times. Dude. Angel. Oh my God, you saw that? He just hit it 4 times. He just went for it 4 times. I gotta go back up there, dude. After I thought he was gone, I reeled it in and he went for it again. That was the biggest one of the day, bro. That thing was like so like hot on that thing. That footage is gonna be lit. I was, I definitely, oh my God, I got him. He hit it and then he came back. Bro, he hit it? Oh my God. Bro, he's only hooked on like 1 treble. Get in the boat. Oh, nice. I don't know if this is even the same one because I kind of cast it farther in there. But dude, I mean, I think there was a slightly bigger one with this one that was hitting it, but that's a nice fish. Let me make sure I'm recording. Oh yeah. That's a nice fish, dude. That thing was so hot. It came back on the bait so many times. First time really slaying on Whopper Ploppers, I won't lie to you, but beautiful fish, about 14 inches, chunky. Let's put it back. Well, actually here, I'm gonna get my 1 Snapchat video for the day and then put them back. Beautiful. Bruh. You saw that? I just got blown up on twice by a big fish, bro. Hold on. It was a big one. It hit it and then it missed it and then it came back and actually hit it, but Damn, man, that was a nice one. Oh no, I just got destroyed. Of course he missed it. I watched the fish that hit it swim away. Yo! On the Senko. I had a feeling something ate it. I was like, yeah, that's not how my line was acting earlier. Like 13-incher. Finally, dude. Got another fish. Beautiful fish. Pretty sure I'm recording. Oh yeah. All right, what a beautiful smallie. And yeah, I love catching them, especially when they're this fun size where they just give you that perfect fight. Little beefcakes. Lets them get him the release because he's drying off pretty quick. It's sunny. Oh, yeah, smashed it. Keep it above those weeds. No! Oh! Damn, man, he got into the weeds and he got off. Ah. That one sucked it down good too, man. When they bite it good like that, you know. Ah, dude. And he took it down, man. I thought he was hooked good for sure. There is another one. Oh, that's a good one. Gotta get him in the boat. There we go. It's like another bass. Yeah, let's get him. I missed a really nice one that was probably about 1 inch bigger than this. Went to the other side of the eddy and got another one. So I'm not too upset about it, but dude, that little shoreline right there was just loaded, man. I mean, I can't complain. We're getting very nice quality smallmouth out of here. I mean, if you're fishing for smallmouth and you guys know, like anything over a pound out of a river like this is always like appreciated. So that's a beautiful fish. Let him back. This man's trying to sneak up on my spot and shit. I'm just f***ing with you. Watch this blow up right here. Come on. Oh my God! Yeah. No, no, no. He's barely hooked. Oh! Did you see that? Dude. Whew. What you think? That one has to be 16, right? Probably.
16 3/4 probably. The last fish I got gave my freaking catch board.
Alright.
I could bring you in. Oh, I thought you were gonna hold it. There you go.
Just throw him on there.
15 1/4.
Yep, he's just thick.
They're all thick here.
Alright, I'm gonna put him back now. He's just really thick, and then, like, I think those developed tails on them make them look so long.
They just look bigger in the water.